Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TD100 PS290 Trend front-wheel drive, starts runs needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 128387. MOT, 6 February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Engine starts and sounds perfect. This is a straightforward serve replacement job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095 plus VAT.